Welcome back. I just wanted to start by saying welcome to all the new subscribers and thank you for all the nice comments that have been lately left on the videos. Today we'll be looking at this puzzle right here. That's called the Magic Cross, or the Red Cross puzzle. This puzzle gets its name from the organization Red Cross. If you're not familiar with them, they're an international humanitarian movement of almost 100 million people who protect human life and health all around the world. This puzzle was sold in Germany on the Red Cross's 125th anniversary in 1988. The Red Cross received a portion of the proceeds to its foundation. The puzzle came in red, black, and green, and a blue body cross. So as you can see, I have the black version. It's a bit odd, there's many options for the body of the puzzle. Red would make the most sense. But I'm guessing that the puzzle was not solely made for the organization. They just adopted it and sold it on its anniversary. This puzzle is made out of two intersecting plungers. You can see that this one moves, as well as this one. And you can do half movements as well. You can do anything in between. They don't have to go from the max to the max of its movement, but you can go anywhere in between. The goal of the puzzle is to match the 5 diamonds together. Each diamond is made out of 4 triangles to make the total number of pieces in this puzzle 20. So if you look up close, you can see that each diamond is made out of 4 pieces. You can see I can cut that diamond in half that way, and as well cut them this way. So you can see that each 2x2 is made out of 4 pieces. Looking at the patent of the puzzle, you can see it was filed in 1987 and was designed by this gentleman here. I'm not going to even try to say his name to butcher it, but you can also see he was from Hungary. I like looking at the old diagrams. They're usually even hand-drawn in the patent, depicting the mechanism of the puzzle. And you can see that these 20 pieces are encapsulated by see-through plastic that overlap each other. You can see that this one is on the inside of this one, and then they are held in with little clips in the back. That's what makes the movement of this puzzle. Looking at the original box of this puzzle, you can see the original name in German. I'm not going to butcher that either. And you can see that it came with different patterns you can make. To solve this puzzle, there's not a specific way you have to solve it. You just have to connect the diamonds. But it doesn't matter where the diamonds are. They can be anywhere. Sometimes this red one could be in this corner, the yellow one in the middle. It doesn't matter. But you could also solve it in many different patterns that are depicted on the box in the little instruction pamphlet. Now, just like almost all the other puzzles I've been showing that are out of production and that are vintage, you're gonna have to search on eBay, but it does come up quite often, especially if you look on international eBays. Looking on the German one would be a good bet. Now, it is usually a pretty expensive puzzle, but there's a video on YouTube from a user named 22puzzle that made a 3D printed puzzle, so maybe that's an option. It's a little smaller than this one. His version doesn't use these clear sliding pieces that encapsulate the 20 pieces, but have like a tongue and groove kind of mechanism that all slide in together. I'll leave a link to his video in the description. Just like always, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video about this puzzle that marked the anniversary of the Red Cross. So this is the end of the video. Here's some recommended videos and a subscribe button.